Hi, in this video, we're going to see how to mute somebody on Slack because the issue is that you could not exactly block anybody on Slack. The software doesn't provide you with that option. So, at best, you could just mute somebody. And to do that, you would just go over to the name of that person, just hover over to that person, and just right click. Here, you've got all of these options. Just select mute conversation. So now this conversation has been muted, and you would not be notified about any messages which you receive from this person unless and until you specifically go on to check any messages which you might receive. The thing about muting is that you do it if you think that somebody is spamming you, or if you just think that it is not urgent enough, it is not your priority to check his or her messages. So, in that case, you could mute someone. However, blocking is not an option available on Slack, so you would have to be careful about that.